Hello everyone, I'd like to share a journal. The cover is made of fabric. It was made by Patty Lang and I won it at a giveaway at one of her sales. And it measures 6 inches wide by 8.5 inches high. That's without the trim here at the bottom. And it has a 1-inch spine. It has 3 signatures for a total of 108 pages. 4 digitals. I used Ephemera Vintage Garden Floral Symphony, which is what I will call this journal, and some elements from Lady Eleanor's journal and Rain Embrace for journal cards, postcards, yeah. Inside, I made some pockets with lace and some tags. Here's a tag. I made an envelope with journaling card. Oh, it's more like journaling paper. Yeah, it's journaling paper. Oh, there's a big shadow. Sorry about that. I'm going to try to get rid of that shadow. I don't think it's going to work too good. And here is a note from the bookmaker that explains how to use a journal, and it's by Jibid Neri on YouTube. That's where I got it. This paper is lovely. I love florals, of course. I did some trim, some lace trim, fussy cutting, of course, some Louise Fraser paper. This is avocado dyed. Lots of room for journaling, like all my journals. A CD envelope with some fussy cutting and a journal card inside. A variety of paper. Here is a few journaling cards. This is a ledger page from an 1898 ledger. A pocket with some tags, journaling cards. Here's a little note paper. The other side. And here is a pocket with a glassine bag. And here's the it's called Cigarette Silks of the Wild Rose. I just love that. That's a tag from the coffee dyed paperback from Louise Fraser. Did some fussy cutting. And more lace trim. Another CD envelope with a journaling card. Where there are leaves like this, I doubled it up to give it some interest. Here's a corner tuck with a tag, a few tags, a couple of tags, journaling card. Here's a pocket with a postcard, journaling card. Here's a little envelope with the large window. I have these in my Etsy shop. A little bit of fussy cutting with the journaling card inside. That's more of that Louise Fraser paper and tag that I stamped. It's a lovely botanical journal. I love botanicals, my favorite, of course. Again, it's doubled up. A corner pocket with a few tags. Louise Fraser paper. And some journaling cards. The florals are just beautiful. Here's a tag from Louise. I did some fussy cutting and some label that from Nick the Booksmith, that label. Yeah. Another CD envelope, fussy cutting, journaling card. There's a flip out here. A little bit more trim. Here, again, I doubled that up. Here in the back is a journaling card, fussy cutting. There's a tag. I think in here, yeah, in here there's just a leftover. There's labels and lots of journaling cards that I put in this glassine bag. I have glassine bags in my Etsy shop. And here's the back. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.